Alright, y'all, so we are at Mari's dentist office and we are getting ready to, well, I went a little bit, to go to the dentist for his first time. Say hey, Mari. So yeah, I'm getting ready to go up in here and get his teeth cleaned. I'm gonna try to take y'all with me because some places be tripping about not having your cameras and stuff recording, so I'm gonna try to get what I can get. And being that this is his first time, I ain't gonna put a whole lot, but we gonna do what we can do for y'all, okay? So we'll check y'all in just a moment. Back in the car. We are done getting his teeth cleaned. He did a good job. Say, yay, I did a good job.
Look at my tongue.
Say, yeah, I did a good job.
Look at my tongue, Mommy.
Say, yeah, I did a good job.
Yeah, I did a good job, Mommy.
Yes, so anyways, y'all, he did an excellent job in there. I was so happy of him. I thought he was going to cry, but he did not cry. But yeah, so yeah, we can go get some Cracker Barrel. And I'll just check in with y'all when we get there, okay?
Perfect.
Alright, y'all, so we have now just pulled up to Cracker Barrel and we about to go in here and crash this food. And
Quiet.
I try. Why I gotta be quiet?
Be quiet and Mommy.
Why I gotta be quiet though? Is what I'm not understanding.
That's why you're just talking to my face.
Whatever. Anyways, we about to go up in here and get us crash this Cracker Barrel and then go on about our day because now it's gonna be appointment time for me. Gotta go see the allergy doctor. Be quiet, boy. Gotta see the allergy doctor, y'all. So that's what we about to go and do.
Go home.
Oh, hush. Anyways, I'll see y'all in a minute. Come on, son. Okay, y'all. So you getting ready to pull up? Give me a hand. Huh? Getting ready to walk into Cracker Barrel right now. Alright. Come on, give me a hand. Come on, please stop playing.
It's close to me.
Well, then hold it. Hey, how are you? Give me your hand. That don't matter. Stop, Demar. Thank you. Hey, you said what? The dinosaur? Come on, let's see. Huh? Yeah.
There's another one, Mommy. You're there.
I told you to get that the last time you was in here. You didn't want to get that. Oh, they got all the old
Mommy,
stuff.
I got another one in my house.
Oh, I like the Magnum Pad elephant. I didn't know where all this is. I ain't never heard of that before.
What's this?
What's what?
This.
You got me, buddy.
Open this one.
Look what's over there. A fake snake. Oh, I remember these when I was little, y'all.
Big snake. You hold it.
I don't want to play with that.
I want to play with it.
No, sir.
No,
These all the girls' stuff. We in Cracker Barrel, of course. Huh?
Mommy.
Oh, they got a little light bright. Huh? You said what, baby?
Mommy,
What you found? Oh, goodness. But anyways, don't be rushing me. Anyways, oh, Lord. I done talked the whole time with that on. But anyways, yeah, we are getting ready to go and head out and do that. And we'll just let y'all ride with us on our way there. All right? See you in a few. All right, y'all. So we have pulled up at 5 and Below. We about to run in here real quick and see what they have in here. And hurry up and get back out of here because I got to go to my doctor's appointments. Hopefully they can figure out what's going on with my eyeballs. So I'll see y'all here in a minute. Boy, stop. Well, you got to walk because we got to get across the street. Thank you. In my doctor's office, ENT, getting ready to get these eyes checked out because, Lord have mercy, y'all, They've been bothering me for some weeks now, and they're getting worse. So I'm sitting here waiting on them to come in and check me out so I can get up out of here because I'm ready to go. All right, y'all. So we are now back in the car. I'm just now leaving the doctor's office. Didn't really tell me a lot that I wanted to hear. But it is what it is. So right now I'm about to just go get me my eye drops from the pharmacy, hoping that they have them. They have referred me to an allergist, so I should have went there from the beginning. But it is what it is. I just hope that these drops help my eyes until then, because I can't take them out. They is driving me crazy. Okay, it's like I just want to take them out and itch them and put them back in all the time, and I shouldn't be feeling that way. But anyways, that's what me and my baby about to go do. See him in the back chilling back there,
And I got a stick of Batman.
and he got a stick of Batman, is what he telling y'all, if y'all didn't hear him. But yeah, you know how kids act showing out in the daggone doctor's office about to get popped. But anyways,
and I got the red T-Rex and the black hand.
okay. All right, sounds like a plan to me. But anyways, I'm about to go up to my pharmacy and see if how long it's going to take for them to fill these drops, because I need them today, not tomorrow. All right, so I'll check y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, so we have made it back home. My hair is a mess because it started to pour down rain, like literally pour down rain. And when we were at the pharmacy getting my medicine for my eyes, I'm praying that it works. Y'all, please pray for me, because my eyes have been bothering me for weeks now, and looks like I'll be getting an appointment to an allergy specialist, as well as a ophthalmologist, I think she said. Don't quote me on that, y'all. But anyways, yeah, so we just getting back in the house. It's still pouring outside. My hair is a hot mess because it got wet. But yeah, so right now we back in the house. I put my drops in. I'm hoping they kick in real soon, and I hope it really works for me. But right now we just gonna chill and chillax until later on tonight. We've been up since this morning, so it's time for us to relax. Okay? So anyways, I will holler at y'all later. Probably won't be the rest of the day, so I might go ahead and end this video right here. Please comment down below. Please hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. And I'll holler at y'all on my next one. Bye.